Hello Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 9th of September to the 15th of September. Gemini, let's go ahead and go into your reading. I don't think I have messages for you. Oh, okay Gemini, you're at your sign. I had this message. It's for a girl. So I'm getting something about you have a daughter. No, some about your daughter. So I'm getting something about your daughter is starting or about to start to menstruate, which can be a shock for parents. Can be a shock for the men because now the daughters have attitudes and now their daughters are bleeding everywhere. For women though, it can be, I'm getting something about your mother, how you learn about period. I'm sorry, this is a you topic, but we have to talk about it, whether you're a father or a mother. I'm getting something about how you did you teach your kid, when your daughter, when your daughter menstruated for the first time, what happened? Did you guilt her? Did you make you feel terrible? Did you make you feel embarrassed about it? I'm getting something like that. I'm also getting something about teaching girls. You need to teach the girls when they need to study the calendar. Men do not go by a calendar. Women do. You need to understand that. Your calendar is supposed to be one of your best friends. Men do not use a calendar every month. Women use a calendar every month. They have a cycle. Something that goes round and round and round like a circle, like a wheel. It's a cycle. And you're going to repeat every month. Every month, you're going to have the same thing every single month. Whether it's on the same day every month or a couple of days before, a couple of days after. I'm getting something about, it could be something about school girls. A lot of school girls in school, junior high. I'm getting, maybe teaching them hygiene. Like how you know. Like for example, in my head, if I have a daughter, she gets her period for the first time. Okay, you have to educate her. First of all, to me, when your daughter gets her period for the first time, she goes shopping. I don't know if anybody had that experience. I did not have that experience, but I'm telling you what I would do if I had a daughter. You have to go shopping. That is our period day. It's a very special day. Why she have our period? So first of all, you have to learn about it. You have to learn why you have it. You have to learn how not to make it embarrass you. And you have to learn certain hygiene things about periods too. So now she go shopping. You have to buy her all of these things. You have to buy her a hot bottle for her belly. You have to buy her Advil, teach her if she have pain, she can take one of these. You have to buy her pads. Now I would tell women, do not start off your daughters on tampons. I don't know why you would have started off your virgin daughter who never had sex yet with a tampon. Why would you? Anyways, so I would say start off the girls with pads. Okay, and make them know which size pad them forget, so then don't walk around feeling like there's a cement brick in them underwear, right? So I'm getting something about hygiene with girls. A lot of girls and them want to be taught like hygiene, especially when them start menstruate. How to track them calendar. Now be careful, because I remember one time I did download this period tracker app and I swear the fucking app gave my third-party information to somebody else and then my time every blood clot month my bleed. So be careful, okay? I'm just sharing you. I'm just telling you what's happening online, Gemini. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's get some warning cards for you. I'm getting you have a daughter, so there's a lot to learn about girls that way, okay? You have to tell women that the danger is not having sex. The danger is, no, the danger is not the act of having sex. It's having sex responsibly. Just like you drink responsibly. You do drugs responsibly. You race responsibly. You fight responsibly. Sing in the shower. So getting sing in the shower. Now if you can in the shower, do it too. And if you have a mate and him come over, perhaps two of need to take a shower together. Remember Gucci Bean had said that how him said that he was in love with his wife, they took a shower together. I can attest to this actually true. Well, not everybody though, but yeah, I'm getting like Gucci Mane say he makes you bathe him, and then for him to realize him in love with Keisha Core. Like, so I'm getting sing in the shower. Whatever you need to sing, okay, to release that energy, Gemini. Let's go. Oh, I'm getting something about pregnant mothers too. Single young pregnant mothers. Them are 16, 17, 18, 19, and you fall in love with your high school boyfriend where you sit every day at school, him have sex with you, you get pregnant, him abandon you. I remember in Jamaica, all of us had an assignment to do. And my assignment was on teenage pregnancy. How much teenagers was pregnant, who I get them pregnant, what were the ages them I get pregnant. I'm getting very young mothers who are abandoned by the man, and they may have been abandoned by their parents, told that they need help. This could be also something, Gemini, about a godchild. I'm getting you want a godchild. I don't have a godchild. Godchild can work for me. Godchilds could work for me. Adopted children can work for me. I'm getting something with a godchild. So I'm getting the godmother or the godfather. Let's go. Let's go. Gemini. I don't know if someone is saying that they're their godmother. She was a fairy. We have the Three of Swords coming on first. On the Three of Swords is heartbreak, pain, or you made a decision between two things and somebody going to get hurt. Okay? We have the five. Yeah. Okay. So this could be something about eviction. I'm getting eviction. I'm getting you're outside. I'm getting you lose everything, Gemini. You lose everything. Everything, you lost it. No, this could be everything as in love. I'm getting the love of your life you lost, or I'm getting something about your heart stabbed with a knife that's not bleeding and you're outside. I'm getting you lose a lot of money. A lot of money, Gemini. Something about girl, boy. No, I don't know if you want somebody to have a boy. I'm getting you want this woman. Maybe you want this man to be I'm getting you want somebody be like, I want a boy, I want a son, I want a son, I want a son. You take away your blood clot get and you make sure it's fucking healthy. What you want, son and daughter. You think this is a pick a child, build a child workshop where you get to build your own child. Go to Clone Aid Canada for that, so they can clone a child for you to your liking, right? You take what you fucking get. I see baby showers when people never wanted the mothers in specific. Them don't want the girl and them have a boy. Them don't want the girl and them have a girl and them freak the fuck out. All while the baby's inside of them. That's why you come out having abandonment issues. Because that split second of the adrenaline rushing in your mother's veins of hate because she had a boy. And sometimes she wanted to have a boy because of the dad. If she was a single mother alone, she would have been okay with having a boy or a girl. The good things with girls, you can dress them up. When them little, you do them little here, you dress them up. You can accessorize them, you can do them little here. That's a good thing with girls. Boys, them going to be boys. Even if you dress them up and them in the latest little nice things, them are going to be boys. They're going to kick ball. You know what I'm saying? You're getting you lost something. You lost everything. Five of Pentacles. You're outside. You're homeless. You got to lock the fuck out. The King of Cups. Okay, I'm getting something about your big brother or something about your father. We have the Four of Pentacles. I'm getting you won't ask somebody for help. And we have the Ace of... So I'm getting you need help. I'm getting you need help and you ask somebody. I'm getting you needed help. Somebody saw you needed help and then watch your struggle. Now, maybe somebody think you was faking the fact that you needed help. I don't know what that have to do with. I'm getting something about a girl. Something about girls. Now, I do notice in the homeless shelter system, there's a lot of men. And even, and men will walk around and say, he's a girl that can get things easy. Yeah, but who am I going to get it from? Man like you? Because if majority... Look at the shelter system. Look at the homeless system. Men versus women. A lot of men in the shelter system. Why the man them get abandoned more than the woman? Why is the work opportunities for men not as progressive as for women? Because even when you're at the bottom of society, even when you're homeless, prostitution will work for a woman. It now work for a man. So you will see a girl and say you're pretty, you can find a man. Find a man like you or homeless too. I mean, these men don't have money. And if they do that, they will guarantee them to spend it on you. We're getting something about this woman. Let's clarify. Or something about this girl. I don't know if you take a shower with somebody and them are menstruate. I don't know. Feel like you're standing up in a pool of blood with somebody else. The Three of Swords is clarified by the Queen of Swords. Okay, so I'm getting a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius woman. She's saying something to you very harshly. Maybe she's trying to hurt your feelings. Sweetie, you can't hurt my blood clot feelings. Not with the tightness of my clit. Let's continue the reading. We have the Death card. Yeah. We're getting somebody want you to leave. Maybe somebody want you to be so embarrassed, so miserable, so stressed the fuck out because of what you're being tormented with. You're going to leave. You're going to feel suicide. You're going to feel like, why am I here and why is all of this happening to me? Sweetie, in order for you to give a fuck, you have to care. That's a key. It's a key thing that you're not fucking. It's not clocking. It's not fucking clocking to you. The King of Cups is clarified by the Ace of Cups. Yeah, me getting this man like you. Oh, so the man like you. But the girl I gotta try to make it look like the man that like you, or she goes, come me getting somebody who wants something dead. End. It's a end. Now, this can also be something about this Gemini, Libra, Aquarius woman who told a huge lie on you. Me getting that's why you lost everything. Me getting you literally outside on the brink of dying. This could be you outside in winter. Me getting it cold outside and you're outside, you're on the sidewalk. Me getting something about dying in winter. In a winter, somebody got dead. You got pass in a winter. I don't know if this is somebody's ex that's doing this to you. Or I'm getting a masochist couple who into tormenting and torturing women who maybe don't want to sleep with them. Speaking of that, last night I was watching my other favorite tarot reader, and she talking about when you say pineapple, it means you swing or it means you fuck a girl. Not where me come from. Where me come from, when you say pineapple, that means when you eat a girl pussy, it's sweet. Every Jamaican girl know if you want to make your pussy. Anytime you have a man and you know your man like to eat your pussy, you eat pineapple for 3 days in a row. Your pussy juice gonna taste like pineapple. Me hear yesterday say it means something about swinging our couple. All this fucking time, only think I'm swinging because I come from Jamaica or a woman. That's not what pineapple mean where me come from. Where me come from, me I drink pine and ginger. Tell them for wine pan and thing, me not play that. Me I drink pineapple. Pineapple means sucking pussy. Juicy like a pineapple. Don't when you bite a pineapple, it's watery. I cannot understand. We don't speak the same language. You see? We don't speak. You're speaking a language that I don't speak. You're talking about pineapple, and I'm telling you that where I come from, pineapple means sucking pussy. You are telling me pineapple mean what? Swinging. Hear this shit. All I wanted was my pussy to be ate, and now I have a couple sucking my clit because they thought I went both ways. You thought I was bisexual, sweetie. I am bilingual, not bicycle. The Four of Pentacles is clarified by the angel. Yeah, me getting you safe. Come me getting somebody else. I don't know, maybe you withhold from somebody. You never talk to them. You just stay by yourself. Me getting it probably save your life. Somebody probably was going to set you the fuck up. They're setting you up with them ex, or them gonna set you up. Me getting somewhat this Libra Aries, this Libra Gemini Aquarius woman. She don't like you and she likes everyone. She's jealous of you. Often when you find out people don't like you, it's not because you did anything specific. Believe me, they took more shit from them blood clot, man. Ask any bitch or whore or nigga who don't like me. Ask them, did your man ever do something worse? So you don't like me, but you tolerate worse from your man. Remember one time I cussed a girl in the shelter and she said, you're an abuser. You abuse me. You talk, you're verbally abusive. I said, me verbally abusive? Didn't a man fucking in your country and you left your daughter in a country for come to Canada? Didn't the man abuse your pussy? And the supervisors were like, no, stop. Supervisors have intervened. Talking about, yeah, that bitch has an attitude. Your blood clot man never have an attitude and you still stay with him. Him never fuck on you and you stay with him. So you tolerate it from your man, but a random person who you don't know, all of a sudden you have opinions. Where was opinions when the man fuck on you? No, you had no opinions. All you did was salt his food. You never pack up your blood clot clothes and leave. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Let's continue the reading. We're getting you safe. One more. Yeah, you're safe. And me getting, even if this is something about a couple, me getting a man to protect you. It's like the man that bully you when the wife is there, and when the wife is not there, he'll be like, oh yeah, let me clean up, let me go apologize quick. Gemini. Me getting something about a girl. So this could be also, you have a girl, you have a daughter, me getting a stepmother. Make sure the stepmother not evil. I don't know about you, but any man me there with, if him don't treat him kids good, I want to deal with him. I want to deal with him. Worse, if the kids them in my life, I want to deal with him. No, preferably he was a single father and he has all the responsibilities on his own, so I don't have to deal with a crazy baby mother or a bitter baby mother. Because I don't want no baby mother drama. I'm 32 and I still look this way. Why would I deal with a man with baby mother drama? Now, if he's a single dad, me getting any stepmother. You have to make sure the girl is tight enough for you and make sure she's not mean to your blood clot kids, especially if you have daughter. Because you'll deal with a girl and she start bullying your daughter. She had tell her daughter she's ugly. She had tell her daughter for dress down. She had tell her daughter, hey, you know it's time for move out. You're 18. We're 18-year-olds supposed to blood clot go as girl. Where them live with them father so long. You know, your father thinks you're old enough. No, bitch. You thought she was old enough. What you think she's going to take your man? You mean her dad? Like Jackie Chrissy. Jackie Chrissy really tell her daughter, are you calling my husband? You mean her father? That's when you know your mother have resentment against you. Anyways, let's go and get some of these cards. We'll leave it here. And I feel like somebody wants you to be really sour, but the reviews on your pussy scent is that you taste sweet. So I don't know what the bitch is doing, but you know, tell her to continue. You know, I mean, she's a cute girl. You know, cute next to gorgeous. You know, gorgeous is going to devour cute. You know, it's okay, it's fine. Let's go. Do something kind for someone else, Gemini. That's your card for today. I don't know if I draw one in the beginning. So do something nice for someone today. It could be a family, a friend, a stranger. Just do something nice for someone else. Okay? You don't expect anything in return, especially not pussy or because I know how someone is. Raphael, healing, guidance, and travel. Yes, we have Abaddon. Right, is this angel of destruction, abyss, and chaos. All right, we have beginnings. So there's a new beginning coming in here. Something about your girl, your child, your daughter. You need to be very careful. Yes, you have to be very careful when you're a mother having daughter and you're making a new man come round. As a man, you have to be careful when you have a daughter and you're making girls come round. Because chances are, you see if he's a single father, you don't teach your daughter to be beautiful. Chances are the way how your dress are is really shitty compared to how other girls dress. But you don't know. You are just a daughter to be the most formal ever. That's not really how she wants dress. But you're dress her that way. And she don't have a mother or a girl who can say, yes, you can do this, but it have to be longer. Yes, you can do this, but you have to cover up your son. He's a dad. She never tell you, say, no, I don't want to wear this, I want to wear that. Worse if you struggle with her. You need to be very careful. When you get a new woman in your life, then will become evil stepmother too. Look how much Disney stories about evil stepmothers. Yes, the fathers might fuck off your teenage daughters, especially when they're going through puberty. But at the same time, yeah, them woman will bully your daughter. And your daughter, probably teenager, she just a growing to herself. She learn about confidence, boyfriends, everything. No, she deal with stress because she have a jealous, evil stepmother. And any man must choose them new girlfriend over them daughter, it's terrible. Son's different. Not saying you should choose a woman over your son either, but son's different. Anyways, 2 more. Ooh, okay, 3 more. We have Beelzebub, gluttony, corruption, influenced by earthly desires. We have Ariel, natural world, healing, protection of nature. And we have Baphomet, duality, half human and half animal. Sagittarius, half man, half bull. I asked her if she wants another round. She said, no, I'm good. I'm going to leave it here until next time. Gemini, bye.